This is an application of the Dream Player Lite. As you can see, it's powered up. And just if you're curious, the power is coming actually from Track Power. This is a Zephyr, Digitrack Zephyr Extra command center. It actually does put out DC. It's a pulse DC. Some people think it's AC, but it's not. As you can see, I'm running this DC board with that power, and it's running fine. The audio from this board is going to a pair of headsets, so it won't be very loud in this video, but eventually I will have it hooked up to speakers. For this video, the board is just hooked up to a little breadboard here with a 560 ohm resistor and an LED. Eventually it will be hooked up to this little welding application, and we'll turn the welding light on and off the circuit board. It'll control that circuit board. But for the present time, we're just doing this. Now, the trigger is a Radio Shack ambient light sensor. That's a light sensing LED. As you can see, it's clear all around, so there's lots of places for light to get in, and if you were turning lights on and off with it, that would be great, but I'm not doing that. So I have enclosed it in heat shrink wrap, so that the light only comes in through the top. So to trigger this device, all I have to do is create some shade. As you can see, I don't have to touch it. It'll be great for the grandkids to come over and run the little welding scene. And that's about it.